guys, I'm here in Okada Manila, so we're checking in. We have an event with my Pro Life UK family, so we'll have an awarding of the top performers of 2021. So I'm so excited to be part of it. This would be my first time, and yeah, so yeah, we're checking in. It's my UMJC, so just waiting for my makeup artist. We need to be ready by 1 p.m. It's already 12. So yeah, probably we'll just gonna look for restaurant or cafe. So we'll have lunch first. We're waiting to check in. We're waiting for our room. We're requesting for early check-in at 12 so we can go ahead and prepare. So just want to show you guys. We have an awards night. So yeah, it's been a while. The last time I attended a red carpet event. So this is exciting. I just want to document this. So please join me. Okay guys, we got a room, so we're checking in early. Yay! So I'm still waiting for my makeup artist. I only have 35 minutes to prepare for before our call time at 1. So let's go! Nauna na ako. Room tour. Wow, so we have... Okay, quick room tour. Habang wala pa sila. So we have bed here. We have TV. We have the bathtub. So, wala kaming jacuzzi, but that's okay. So we have shower room here. Whoa, wow, it's automatic. I'm so amazed. Parang nasa Japan. Alright. So, over here, we have the living space, office space. We have the mini bar. Hi! Alright. So, yeah, private bar. Ayoko nang i-open. Baka mamaya mag-alert. Tapos i-ano tayo. Thank you. Okay. So, over here. Wait, how do we... Oh, okay, perfect. Space for luggage. And then... Okay, we have a guest. Hello!
JC, they wanna check lang if you are good with it.
Alright, should put this down. Okay, my luggage here. Have clothes, you have dresser. And my gowns. Okay, I have 3. Parang debutante. We have another toilet. Hi. Okay. Ito yung mga mga winners. So you have to associate yourself with winners who were careless with their phones because they can't afford to buy new phones. Hi, it's nice. Wow.
Hello.
Who are you wearing tonight? Yes.
versions.
Okay, final look. Ang taba ako. Okay, I'm running late. Ang hirap na maging debutante, guys. Di ba na sorry?
Hello.
So, ayan. Final look. Naiihi na ako, ba't maybe later na lang. Pakita muna tayo ng mga boom-boom.
Yung group lip sync. After the group lip sync, is yung solo.
Alright, so we're here shooting for a music video. Okay. So easy po siya natatanggal yung ano. Should be good. My gosh. Ang hirap po maging FA, guys.
Puso, isip, lakas.
Alright, I'm with you, MJC.
Hello.
So we're heading to Cove. So we're gonna,
Photo shoot.
yes, the whole team. So,
We're like,
ramp pa muna.
we're like artista.
Yes. Ramp pa muna tayo.
Para siyang video ba yan? Ano naman ako?
So cute. Ang cute pa. Kasi lang po ano. Yan. Alright, so we're back in our room. So, we're done with the shoot. Laka ng puson ko. Alright, so we're gonna have a quick change. I hope we have time for this. Ay, okay.
Ay, wow talaga. Iba ang luwag ni Award Sir Christian God.
Na ako lang yung nakakaalam, na ako lang yung lumalaban mag-isa. But because of pro-life, nagkaroon ako ng maraming kakampi. Nagkaroon ako ng maraming tenga na nakikinig sa mga problems ko. Helping other people. It's about giving them opportunity to succeed in life.
Lazarite Gold visionaries, I give you a toast for a great 2022.
Cheers! Cheers, Besh! Cheers, cheers! Ay, nauna na siya.